Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. I'm coming to you today with another Tech Knowledge Quick Hit video. Today we're going to talk about everything you need to do prior to selling, trading in, or giving away your iPad or your iPhone. The steps are the same for both the iPhone and the iPad. However, what you see on the screen may be a little different. The screen that I'm going to be showing will be done on my iPad, but you'll still get the gist of it for your iPhone. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a backup of your device. So let's see how that's done. The first thing you need to do is open up Settings. Then you're going to want to click on your name, click on iCloud, and then click on iCloud Backup. Right there you see an option to back up now. You're going to want to click on that and let the process begin. The next step is going to be signing out of iCloud, iTunes, and the App Store. So let's get started on that. So again, you're going to need to open Settings, click on your name, scroll to the bottom of that screen, and click on Sign Out. Here you're going to need to insert your password, and then click Turn Off. With your password put in, you'll be given an option to keep a copy of your data on this iPad. If you're selling, trading in, or giving away this iPad, you're not going to want to keep a copy of any of your data on this. So just click Sign Out. And then it asks if you're sure, click Sign Out again. So once you're signed out of iCloud, iTunes, and the App Store, the next step is actually erasing everything on your device. So let's go ahead and do that. So once again, you're going to want to click on Settings. I'm already in the General tab. If you're not, you're going to want to make sure you are in the General tab. Scroll down, click on Reset, and then click on Erase All Content and Settings. Here you're going to need to enter your passcode, and then click Erase. It'll ask if you're sure, click it again. And now the erasing process will begin. Once that's finished, your iPad will now be ready to sell, trade in, or give away on the setup screen. Well guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions on what you need to do to wipe your Mac computer before selling, trading in, or giving it away, I'll link a video to that down below in the description. And if you have any questions on what else you need to do to wipe a PC or an Android or anything else like that before selling, trading it in, or giving it away to protect your privacy, visit us at OneSupport.com or call the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.